Hi everyone! Hi guys! Today I'm going to teach Luke how to hold the pencil properly, the right way. I have the pencils here. Tuturuan ko na siyang magsulat. So we're going to start tracing, but it's important that we teach them how to hold the pencil properly. Kasi pag hindi nila nahawakan ng maayos yung pencil, it's gonna be hard for them to write, and padadala nila yon hanggang sa lumaki sila. So, Luke, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, guys, if you have the pencil, dapat yung tip niya ay naka-point towards you. Ganyan. And then, Luke, you have to do this. I'm going to teach you how to hold the pencil properly.
Like this.
Okay, yes. But you have to follow mommy's instructions, okay? Alright, so first you have to do this. Yes, it's like A-okay. Yes, and then after that, you have to pinch the pencil. Pinch, but you have to do, yes, that's right. Yeah. There's a crab, and you have to pinch like this. Where's your crab? Where's the crab? Yes, and then pinch the pencil. Your pencil, where's your pencil? Here, babe. Okay, pinch your pencil like that, and then flip. Yes, that's correct. Okay, let's do it one more time. A-okay.
Okay.
And then there's a crab. And then you pinch your pencil. Where's your pencil? Yes, and then flip. Good job. Very good. So guys, it's very easy. We have to teach them how to grip or hold the pencil properly para mas makapagsulat sila ng maayos. Yes? Alright, are you ready to write? We're going to trace today.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, meron akong binili. This is a pre-writing skill. So, we're going to start tracing. Actually, matagal ko na itong binili, pero ngayon lang namin magagamit. Because I have more time now to teach my little one. Alright, are you ready? Not that one, babe. Use this one. The bigger pencil. Stop, going down. Woohoo, very good. Yes, very good. You're doing a very good job. Ooh. About that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, and
Very good. Are you tired na?
Yeah.
He's eating. See guys, the room is very messy. Eating Cocoa Crunch. Okay. So are you ready to continue na?
No.
No. So it's time to color. What is that? That's a unicorn, babe. Nice colors. And then what's next?
Red.
Alright. So red for the horn.
And then red here.
The face is red too. Okay, so what color is that this time?
Brown.
Brown. Brown for the body. Wow, I like the color. So colorful. And busy. Guys, mas marami na akong time ngayon. Finally, matuturuan ko na si Luke. Paunti-unti. Luke is almost 5. Pero guys, ngayon pa lang talaga kami nagsisimula. So, lagi lang kaming simula. Pero hopefully, we can continue this time. Basic pa lang din. Pero, I think it's not too late. Basta tuloy-tuloy. Ah. Right, so Kuya is done writing. So now you can
Play.
play. Yes.
Right, kids. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys. See you on our next vlog.